One of the main benefits of Teachinguide is that it helps you to find, rank, and optimize your courses for the best keywords. The Keywords dashboard is an important piece to help you with that. You can research new keywords that are most relevant for your course, find the keywords with highest search demand by students, monitor your keyword rank for many keywords on a daily basis, see the impact of your ranking in the form of students' traffic, monthly enrollments estimated, understand which keywords are also topic, optimizable, and which are also subcategories. Only amount of reviews can rank you better here. See the change of your rankings over time on easy charts, and simulate your course title and subtitle changes to optimize for better titles with better keyword coverage. So, let's take a look. You can, of course, change the course easily at any time and optimize keywords for different courses. The first table, Monitored Keywords, shows you all keywords that are relevant for your course. Initially, Teachinguide tries to add keywords that you are already ranking for, but of course, there might be keywords that you are not aware of or miss out on. The search category is a metric that shows how big that keyword is. In other words, how many students are searching for it every month. So a keyword with 5 green bars is a very high volume and important keyword. A keyword with only 1 green bar is seldom searched for, and you can't expect many traffic from it. The volume is similar to the search category, but estimates the monthly searches in detail for each keyword. Higher is better. The rank shows you current rank for your course and the keyword. The green or red numbers indicate the change over the last 30 days. Teachinguide only checks the first 60 ranks for each keyword, so if you have no rank here, then you are probably not ranking on the first 3 pages. As in Course Dashboard, we calculate your monthly student enrollments for that keyword based on its search volume and your rank. The top 3 ranks get the most of the students, so that must be your goal for the most important keywords you can compete on. Once you have collected some days for rankings, you can click on each row to see the history chart. Page 1 to page 3 means if the rank is on page 1 of search results page or is on another page. So if your rank is top on page 1, you should see it close to the 3 green lines. Those are the ranks 1 to 3 where you want to be. So let's now switch to the ranking charts by clicking on the tab Ranking. The top chart shows you the enrollments and reviews for your course over time for comparison. The lower chart shows you all the selected keywords on the right with their ranking history as an overview to see outliers and anomalies quickly. If you have marked keywords on the first tab as favourite, you can just show those here by clicking on the star on the right. Let's come to the last tab now and click on Optimization. This page shows you your course title and subtitle as it is right now on Udemy. We know that the keyword relevance of a course is, of course, one of the most important ranking factors. Further, we know that being relevant means having the keyword in the title and/or subtitle. Here you can see which keywords are fully or partially covered in both. The columns here show you whether a keyword is covered in the title or subtitle. You cannot expect to rank for important keywords that are not in your title or subtitle. If you discovered that some keywords should also be in your title, you can craft new titles and subtitles here to try to cover the changes for all keywords. The columns in title and in subtitle will change immediately. Please note that this is only a simulation and won't change your course titles on Udemy. Once you have identified a better title, you have to go ahead and change them on Udemy. You should now have a better understanding of how important keywords are, how to research and monitor them.